everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on a grand adventure through time, exploring a fascinating subject that has shaped our world, the history of science. From the earliest civilizations to the modern marvels of technology, science has been a driving force behind human progress. It's the story of our insatiable curiosity, our relentless pursuit of understanding the universe, and our place within it. Our journey begins in the cradle of civilization. The ancient Egyptians and Babylonians made significant contributions to astronomy, mathematics, and medicine. They tracked the movements of stars and planets, developed complex systems of measurement, and even performed rudimentary surgery. Fast forward to ancient Greece, where a revolution in scientific thought took place. Pioneering minds like Aristotle and Archimedes laid the foundations for many scientific disciplines. They emphasized observation, experimentation, and logic, paving the way for a more systematic approach to understanding the world. The flame of scientific inquiry continued to flicker during the Middle Ages. Islamic scholars like Ibn al-Haytham, al-Hazan, made groundbreaking discoveries in optics, while European universities began to emerge as centers of learning and debate. The Renaissance ushered in a renewed interest in science and the natural world. Thinkers like Leonardo da Vinci, with his awe-inspiring inventions and anatomical drawings, embodied this spirit of exploration. This period also saw the rise of the scientific method, a systematic approach to research that continues to be the cornerstone of scientific inquiry today. The Age of Enlightenment brought forth scientific giants like Isaac Newton, whose laws of motion and universal gravitation revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. This period also saw advancements in biology, chemistry, and astronomy, laying the groundwork for the scientific breakthroughs of the modern era. The 19th and 20th centuries witnessed a scientific explosion. From the theory of evolution to the discovery of the structure of DNA, from the development of vaccines to the exploration of space, science has transformed our lives in ways unimaginable to our ancestors. As we stand at the threshold of the 21st century, the future of science is brimming with possibilities. Artificial intelligence, robotics, and advancements in genetics hold the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. But the journey of science is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, environmental concerns, and the responsible application of scientific knowledge are crucial issues we must address. The history of science is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a story that continues to unfold, and we're all part of it. So, what scientific discovery excites you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating explorations.